One of our customers has an offshore drilling platform, and they told us recently that unplanned downtime can result in up to 2 weeks of non-productive time for their field workers. They've engaged a top predictive analytics company to help them reduce this cost, and it's proving to be surprisingly difficult. In this video, I'll introduce you to 15 of the best predictive analytics companies for oil and gas. I'll show you where they're focusing their expertise and what kinds of predictive maintenance challenges they're solving. If you'd like some clarity on how predictive maintenance actually works, check out this video, which covers the 5 steps of predictive maintenance. The companies that I'll be introducing you to in this video focus on the data processing step for sure, and many of them provide other steps as well. In all cases, a strong network is required to tie all these components together. For information about that network, please reach out to your Cisco team or contact me directly. Now, the list of 15 companies. To help us bring some order to this long list, I'll put their logos onto this graphic so that you can remember where they fit. I'll group them into 5 general categories. First, the 3 subverticals, and then 2 other categories that I think you'll find helpful. Let's start with Upstream, or the well, or exploration and production. In the exploration and production part of oil and gas, there are 2 types of predictive maintenance problems that need solving. The first and most obvious one is for all of the equipment that's being used for drilling, pumping, separation, and storage. This equipment has rotating assets, pressure valves, and many other elements that could fail. Predicting those failures for maintenance avoids long delays to wait for parts or technicians in locations that are really hard to reach. Predicting these failures allows equipment to continue operating while parts and technicians get scheduled for the work. The 2 companies that I'm featuring in this category are Schlumberger and Baker Hughes. The second type of predictive maintenance has to do with the flow activity in the geology itself, far below the ground. Any ability to predict the behavior of oil flow can help to scale up mitigation efforts and optimize the production. This is not traditional maintenance activity, but it's a part of operations that relies on predictive analytics. And one of the primary companies helping with this prediction is Halliburton. You'll notice as we go along that there will be companies that get missed. There are many companies I could have included. So think of the ones I call out as representative. Now, the second category, which is midstream or pipelines primarily. Most of the data in this subvertical comes together through supervisory control, or SCADA. The most common SCADA system along pipelines is from Aviva, and they have a predictive maintenance module built into their software suite. For pipeline operators with an Aviva SCADA system, this is a natural place to start. One thing I will mention here is that in upstream environments and along pipelines in midstream environments, you'll find a wide variety of control system companies, and most of them have predictive maintenance systems built into their software. Leveraging these software options for localized requirements along the pipeline could make sense. The third category is refineries and processing plants, or downstream. In this chemical processing environment is where you see all of the process control companies demonstrate their capabilities at scale. The 4 that I see most often are Honeywell, Rockwell, Emerson, and Siemens. All of these have predictive maintenance software that can be leveraged for their systems, and some of them allow third-party systems to be integrated as well. Okay, so we've looked at each of the subverticals in oil and gas, but we're not done yet. The systems we've looked at so far seem to identify the most common predictive maintenance use cases in oil and gas and deploying them as part of a larger oil and gas system. If an asset has a unique behavior, though, that is outside of the most common use cases, then we need to involve a customizable predictive maintenance tool. The other scenario that I'd like to address is where there's a mixed environment or the requirement's very simplistic and doesn't need a complex system. So let's start. The fourth category is custom models. Let's go back to the example I started with in offshore drilling platform that has a lot of complex interaction between systems, and you're frustrated by costly downtime. The operator may be able to isolate the challenges to a specific system and apply one of the systems we've already talked about. But there may be a need to look at the interaction between a broader set of variables. Enter the big custom systems. The two that I'll call out are SAS, and Trend Miner. Both of these companies have a strong oil and gas practice that helps them understand what to instrument and which data sets to bring together. They also both use a data science platform that spans many different industry verticals. Again, there are others, but these two came to mind first. Now the last category, which I've just called other platforms. I'd like to highlight a number of platforms that are not quite as comprehensive as the previous category, but they focus on predictive maintenance data across multiple industries with a published description of their oil and gas capability. These may be less costly, easier to use, or more flexible than previous systems that I've mentioned. I've listed 5 here with links to their oil and gas page in the show notes below. All right, let's zoom back out to the whole graphic. There are probably hundreds of names I could have put on this picture, and so there's a good chance that I missed your favorite one. Please feel free to leave your favorite in the comments below. So in summary, the assets in oil and gas operating environments give us clues to their health, and there's often a way to capture that information in the data that we collect. The predictive maintenance process has been implemented by hundreds of software companies that each have a slightly different relationship with oil and gas operations. So grouping them by their strengths, like I did in this video, can be helpful. If you'd like more information on how all of these components connect, please reach out to your Cisco team or contact me directly. You can also reference cisco.com/go/oil and gas for more information. Before you go, I've also selected a few videos for you to watch next. Take care.